How to sell digital products online in 2023, and more precisely, how to sell digital online courses or services in 2023. Considering that advertising costs are still increasing and for sure they will not decrease in the future, you must consider two important parameters that everyone avoids discussing when selling digital products online. These two parameters influence which digital products to sell, their price, and the selling environment. Keep watching this video till the end because it is fundamental to sell your digital products online in the years to come, not only in 2023. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach you the skills and mindset to turn your knowledge or someone else's expertise into a seven-figure business. If you like my content, subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. First of all, before revealing which online digital products you should focus your attention on and how to sell them, you must understand this fundamental concept from the beginning of this video. Selling online digital products is not free. Indeed, it involves your time or your money or both of them. Let me explain it better. To sell anything online, you need to bring traffic to your website, your landing page, your sales page, depending on the marketing strategy you decide to adopt. If you decide to use paid ads, they involve a monetary investment. Indeed, you can use Facebook and Instagram ads, TikTok ads, YouTube and Google ads to instantly push people to visit your website, convert them into leads, aka potential customers, and persuade them to become clients. If you avoid using paid traffic, you have to exploit organic growth. It means using social networks to spread your message by sharing free, daily, valuable content that your target audience wants to read or watch. And this is the primary reason why I'm sharing so much knowledge on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Obviously, it is not the only reason, because I'm building my distribution channel, and this is another topic I'll cover in a different video. Based on the strategy you want to pursue to bring traffic to visit your offer, you have to create and sell different online digital products, and no one is talking about what I'm going to reveal right now. Since the advertising costs are steadily increasing, you can't think of selling ebooks for $20 or Canva templates or Excel templates between $30 to $50 via paid ads, because you will go bankrupt. You will not be able to cover the advertising expenses and scale your business. For sure, you can sell cheap products if you have a following, but it takes time and patience. It all depends on your willingness to start sharing your knowledge for free on socials, as I'm doing right now. After this crucial premise, to sell online digital products in 2023 and in the years to come, I want to focus your attention on selling online video courses, mentoring programs and services, because if they are structured properly, they allow you to make huge profits and scale your business worldwide. The question is, how could you sell these online digital products? The answer is this. The strategy depends on the price of your product or service, and the price influences the selling environment. Let me explain these concepts because they are game changers. If you want to sell an online video course for between $100 and $1,000, you can set up an automated process that sells this digital product 24/7 and 365 days per year on autopilot. You have to set up a sales page where your potential client can acquire the proper information before buying your online course. Then they should be able to pay online by clicking a button, fill out the order form, and be redirected to a payment processor such as PayPal or Stripe. After completing the payment, they receive the credentials to get access to a private area in which they consume the content of your online video course. The simple process I've just described is the most used to sell online video courses. It is entirely automated and does not require you to do anything. It is a great passive income machine, making money while you sleep. On the flip side, if you want to sell high-ticket stuff, such as coaching programs, one-to-one one-to-one mentoring programs and masterminds between $5,000 and $25,000, you can't expect to sell these products by clicking a button and completing the online transaction easily. Indeed, you have to change the selling environment. In this case, your ability to close over the phone is essential. Be aware that every human being, when it comes to investing thousands of dollars, they become nervous and skeptical about you and your service as well. They want to be sure your solution works for them and they need to be reassured about it. Your ability to close people over the phone is demanded, otherwise you won't be able to sell your high-ticket products or services. Creating the proper sales funnel is essential because you have to push your potential clients through a specific education and indoctrination process to prepare and warm them to buy whatever you want to sell. When it comes to high-ticket products or services, do not forget that people buy results, not products or services. Your communication must be focused on providing solutions to let your target audience reach the desired results. This is the three-step process you should follow to sell high-ticket digital products or services. Step number 1. Persuade your potential clients to subscribe to your email list. It all starts by collecting your potential clients' name, email, and phone number. By getting the essential details of your prospects and clients too, you will be able to communicate with them whenever you want, and most importantly, no one can ban you. Step number 2, the education process. In this second step, we use our free information to educate and indoctrinate our potential customers to agree with our solution first and to embrace it secondly. You have to focus your communication on changing their belief system related to the product or service you want to sell in order to push them to the following step. Step number 3, application process. Persuade your listener or reader to book a call with you to speak about their problems and concerns and check if your solution fits their needs. In this case, you have the opportunity to speak directly with your potential client and close the sale over the phone. I have just described in simple terms how you should sell your digital products online based on their price and selling environments. By the way, if you want to get huge profits and be able to scale your business worldwide, I highly recommend creating high-ticket products or services. And I urge you to watch this video, how to sell high-ticket coaching and consulting services online. In this video, I explain in detail the three-step process I have just mentioned seconds ago. This process allows you to build your authority and trust to sell high-ticket stuff. So, watch this video now.